These are the various gears including API and Scooters India Limited. Let us have a look towards the Scooter India Limited gears. These are the various gears and gear clusters. This is the informational video. The pack comes like this. This is Scooters India Limited Lucknow original spares, but there is no stamp on the gear, but still the gear is fantastic, the material is fantastic. They said original spares, and some of the gears, these are also from Scooters India Limited. This is the lay shaft. So this is the other one, and this also Scooters India Limited gears. This is of 39 teeth. This is of Zenith company, first gear Vijay Super 50 teeth. This is 50 teeth. It is of Vijay Super. It is of Zenith company. This is also very good company, world famous brand of countries. To all these countries, these people will supply the parts. They said 49 years of trust, Zenith. Looking like Lambretta first gear, but this is not related to Lambretta. This is of three-wheeler gear. Cull. Many people are not knowing about the Cull. Cull means Kerala Automobiles Limited in India. That vehicle's gear is this. But it also will be fitted in the Lambretta according to the modifications you make in the gearbox. And all those, this set is of API. I modified in the machine shop. All gears. This is of API ones. There will be a stamp on this. This is API, Automobile Products of India. This is the general information about the gears. I hope this video is informative. Let us meet again.